Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you log in Instagram account. So let's continue to Instagram. After going to Instagram, you can see if your ID is not logged in, log into another account in the middle one. Click on login to another account. After clicking on login to another account, you can see two boxes. In the first box, you need to put your email address or mobile number, and in the second box, you need to put your password. Guys, I'm putting my email address and password. Just hold a second. After putting your email address and password, you need to click on login, the blue button. After clicking on blue button, you can see my ID is logged in. Guys, this is how can you log in into Instagram. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.